Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Teabox Express. This is a monthly tea party in a box. I think if you've been here, if you've been with me for other reviews, unboxings, you're a subscriber, you know that this is a monthly tea party in a box. If not, hi, you're new. Hi. This is a really fun box. If you like tea. If you like tea, this is something you want to try out at least once just to get your feet wet. It's $25.50 a month. Each box comes with 4 to 6 tea-themed curated items. They're really nice. There's always like snacks and little tea accessories and just cutesy little sweet things. There is a coupon code for 20% off your first box. It's Winter 2018, all caps. I'll put it down below just to remind you. I'll link down below to my full review. I'll also link to Teabox Express. Am I talking really fast? I feel like I am. I'm sorry. Let's go slower. All right. All right. So we have our little insert. This doesn't share any of the information about the products. It's always the same. It tells you how to win a free box by posting on social media and whatnot. So we're going to move along. First, we have our tea. This is a loose leaf. They usually are. I think they're always loose leaf teas. This is St. Fiacre's Farm. Sorry, I don't want to butcher that, but this is a coastal cranberry spice. I'm actually really excited by that because I love cranberry. It's actually really, really good for you too. And so steeping it in tea, you can only imagine it would really bring out some of those antioxidants. And this contains orange hibiscus flowers, so this is going to be a very bright colored tea, just so you know hibiscus always alters the color to like a bright red. Organic lemongrass, Oregon-grown cranberries, organic orange peel, organic cinnamon, organic ginger, and organic clove. Has brewing instructions, and it does tell you that there are 24 to 30 cups in here. This is a huge bag. It's 3 ounces, so there's tons of tea in here. You good the whole month. And it does have, like, it's small batch because it has a batch number, and then it does give you an expiration, 2020. So we really have it a while. Oh my goodness, why did they do this to me? This is these are called Chocolate Therapy Fine Handcrafted Chocolates. This is 4 pieces of assorted chocolate truffles. There's an apple pie. This is the November box, so it's all like very like Thanksgiving themed. I'm always late because the holidays really have me far behind. So you can see that theme there. There's a cranberry cider. There's a maple cardamom. And there's a chai tea. I'm going to try to have just 1 bite of each. I think that's a fair thing, and then just give the rest to my kids. I can feel my face getting red because I'm lying right now. I'm lying. I'm going to eat all of these, and I'm going to regret it. I'm going to feel bad. All right. Down to the bottom of the box here, we have these 2. These look like lollipops, but I don't know what kind of lollipops. Oh, I don't know. This is a cinnamon. I bet. Okay, now I don't know for sure, but this looks like, this is from Melville Candy. They're from Weymouth, Massachusetts. All natural hard candy. This looks like a maple. And then what you do is you put this in cider maybe, because it is on a cinnamon stick. And you put it in your cider and it melts in there. That's what I'm thinking this is. Or in your tea. It's like a tea, little infused cinnamon stick with maple. Just what I'm guessing. They're very pretty though. It's like a very aesthetically pleasing. I'll have to find out more if you're really curious. Check out my blog. All right. Our final item. What is this? Winter Balm. This is also from the same company that made the tea, St. Fiacre's Farm. I'm going to open it. This is a winter balm. I actually love this stuff for my face because I get so extremely... It's just a simple salve. Ooh, it smells like cocoa. They must use cocoa oil or cocoa something. Organic coconut oil. Okay. Beeswax. Cocoa butter. Yeah, I can smell it. It's very nourishing though. And it's not too heavy, which is really nice. I'm using something from a company called Rustic Maca right now. And it is like this, like a balm. But for my skin, it's wonderful. I love it. So I'm excited to try this out. So that is everything that I received in my Teabox Express. I know I'm late. It's November, but this is who I am as a human. Y'all laugh at me, but it's the truth. I will link down below to my full review. Where I will go in depth. I will link to Teabox Express as well and put that coupon code down there for you guys so you can check them out if you so desire. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!